Karma Guy here. Let me introduce you to a true American icon, the 2001 Ford Mustang Cobra convertible. With extremely low miles, only 49,000 on the clock, this beauty is as rare as it gets. And with a lean Carfax, you can drive with confidence knowing this Mustang has been well maintained from the start. Recent dealer service history valued at over $350 ensures this Cobra is road ready. We've just completed a thorough service, including a pre-delivery inspection, fresh oil, new wipers, and more. As part of our dealer certified pre-owned program, this Mustang comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for that added peace of mind. Not only do you get incredible performance, but you also get a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price when you purchase today. And here's the best part. You can even upgrade your warranty at the time of sale with our lifetime warranty option, ensuring years of worry-free driving. We understand that buying a car is a big decision, and that's why we encourage you to bring in a mechanic for a pre-purchase inspection. We're confident that this Cobra will exceed your expectations. But remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the certified pre-owned status and warranty, so don't miss out on this exclusive offer. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten. Choose quality, choose peace of mind, and choose the 2001 Ford Mustang Cobra convertible today. Come see us today and make this Mustang yours. We'll see you soon.